The days when people with cars like these. Rainy day. I'm about to start it up. It started 5 rain, so we're going for the number 6. Okay, I'm about to give it a little gas now. Oh my goodness, starts even better now. You know how the rain is with these vehicles? Well, I found something out. I had a 1979 Cordova, and when it rained, I used to catch the bus. I've had the distributor cap change, all that other stuff, process elimination. But the one little thing about these year cars that they never talked about is this right here. This is the problem. When you put your gas in and you close it, it clicks a couple times. But you need to click it about 7, 8 times because it's for the fumes to escape. Also, while the fumes are escaping, there's air going into your tank. And that causes the problem with the truck starting up. You see it's again raining. This is the 5th one. I've been rolling. So there's a little advice for all you guys that can't get your truck started in the morning. Make sure that gas cap is on tight. And then pump your gas. Boom, boom, boom. This is the 5th rain. I'm Mark Person from Mark Person Online. Here's my tip for the day. Have a great day.